Hello friends, welcome you all to yet another video of stock analysis for long-term holding. In this video, we are going to discuss about the company called Chambal Fertilizers. So this company Chambal Fertilizers, they are into the fertilizer sector, and what is their core business if we see? They are selling an agricultural product to the farmers. When I say agricultural products, uh, they are selling this urea, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides like that. If you name any chemical products, chemical fertilizers products, they, they are selling those products to the farmers, and they are selling those products across India, and also to some overseas countries also they are doing the business. So let's understand how they are selling it. They are not the manufacturer of these products. They are not manufacturing any of this urea or insecticides, fungicides and all. They have a separate dealers, which is like more than 1,500 plus dealers who are distributing these products to the Chambal Fertilizers. And this company Chambal Fertilizers, they are buying those products from those dealers, and they are selling it under the name, under the brand name of Uttam Umbrella. So this is what their core businesses are, and they have more than 15 regional offices and 1,700 plus dealers and 20,000 village outlets across India. This is just a short glimpse about the company profile. Let's quickly walk through their fundamental analysis in the moneycontrol.com. Its current market price is 225 rupees. Let's check the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis showing an good report. It's having 11 strengths, 3 weaknesses, 3 opportunities, and 1 threats. Let's quickly check their strengths. So it's showing a high Petrosky score, companies with strong financials, raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, strong annual EPS growth, and effectively using its shareholders fund, return on equity improving since last 2 years. So its ROE is going good. The return on equity is really good. It's improving, and increasing profit every quarter for the past 3 quarters. Annual net profits improving for last 2 years. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. This shows a good sign here, and FII and FPI, or institutions, increasing their shareholding. This is also a good news. Foreign institutional investors and domestic investors are increasing their shareholding in this company. We quickly check their weaknesses. MACD crossover below signal line. Mutual funds decrease their shareholding last quarter. So last quarter, mutual funds decreased their shareholding from this company, which we need to check on. Decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year on year. Their last quarter net profit, there was a dip. That is what it's indicating here. And if we check the 3 opportunities, company with current TTM, PE ratio less than 3 year, 5 year, and 10 year. Trailing 12 months PE ratio is less than 3 years, 5 year, and 10 year PE. That's good. Rising delivery percentage compared to previous day and month, strong volumes. Stock with low PE, price earning ratio is low, and reflecting one thread here, companies where promoters have increased their pledged stocks. So this is one thread here. Let's quickly check their money control essentials. So money control essential is showing 71%. 71% is a decent number. Let's quickly check their financials. Company consistently making profits, yes. Are earnings improving over years, yes. Does recent earnings show strength, yes. What is no is company with low debt. So this company is not a low debt. This one we need to look upon. This company is having, which means this company is having a high debt. All right. And is company able to meet its working capital requirements? No. Does company generates cash from operations? No. The ownerships If we check, does promoter holds adequate holding? Yes. Company with low promoter pledge? Yes. Are institutions investing in the company? This is a good sign here. Industry comparison, if we check, is company growing above industry median? No. But our profit margins are above industry median? That is yes. Check the others. Does stock have good price momentum? No. This stock is not having a good price momentum at present. Let's check their book value. Before that, let's check their market capital. It's showing 9,364 crores, which is a good number. And let's check their book value. Book value, it's 82.37 rupees. Their face value is 10 rupees, and their dividend yield is 1.78%. If we check the chart, let's check their 5 years growth. I'm not checking 1 year now. Let's check 5 years. So before 5 years, this is already in 5 years chart. All right. So before 5 years, the stock was selling under around 55 or 50 rupees to 55 rupees, like that. And now its current market price is 225 something. This is a good number. This the growth is really good here. If we check their 1 year candle, 1 year chart, it's showing April. Okay, let's say April 2020, it was selling under 106 rupees, and now it's again 225 rupees. It's showing a good growth here. And their Petrosky score. Petrosky score is also showing an excellent number here, which is 8 rating. Anything between 7 to 9, that shows the company is having a strong financials. 8 is a good number. Their revenue wise 7.17%, and their net profit 50.2%, and their operating profit is 34.8% over the last 3 years CAGR. This is another good sign here. Let's quickly check their balance sheet. Okay, I'm not going with quarterly report. I'm going with annual report. So let's check their revenue. In the last 6 years, the revenue has increased significantly. 2016, the revenue was 9,007 crore, but in 2020, the revenue is 12,205 crore, and in 2019, it was 10,177 crore. That's good. And their net profit is also, there is a huge up on their net profits. In 2016, their profit was 226 crore, and in 2018, it's around 452 crore. 2019, it's 468 crore, and in 2020, it's close to triple the number, 1,223 crore, which is huge. And their EPS, earning per share, their EPS is also significantly increased. 2019, it was 14.18, and in 2020, 29.47. And their BVPS, per share book value per share is also, there is a significant increase in improvement on the book value per share. In 2018, its book value is 58 rupees, and in 2019, it's 66.92, and in 2020, it's 82.44 rupees. Return on equity, this is again, there is a huge up on the return on equity. This is mainly for the investors. In 2016, it's 11.83, and in 2017, it's 17.05, and in 2019, it's 20.47, and in 2020, it's 34.64. Excellent number. And their debt to equity is, there's a slight fluctuations on the debt to equity here. 2016, it's 2.67, and in 2018, 2.43, and 2019 it is 3.02, 2020 2.65, and the side they are giving about quarterly results, half-yearly results, 9 years ratio. Fine. Let's check their shareholdings. 60.38% are holding by promoters. FII, financial foreign institutional investors, are holding 7.5%. Domestic institutional investors are holding 15.3%, and public are holding 16.39%. Let's check their investment uh, side. Foreign institutional investors, they slightly increase their investment in this company in this year, because December 2020 it's reflecting 6.65, and in March 2021 it's reflecting 7.5%. That's a good sign. And domestic institutional investors, which includes the mutual funds, they slightly decrease their holding in the last quarter actually. That's the reason it's showing a slight dip here. So in September 2020 it's 16.86%. December 2020 it's 15.79, and in March 2020 it's 15.53. And public, if we see, uh, here also there's a slight fluctuation. So that's about it. I hope I covered most of the. If you think this video is useful to you, just give it a thumbs up and please share it to your friends. I see you all with another interesting video shortly. Till then, this is Kingsley signing off. Thank you.